Today we are going to understand about how function scope variable working with a loop and set timeout trap. So here you can see there are the two loops we have used along with the two set timeout callback function we have used. In this example you can understand of how actually statement is executed and how asynchronous statement actually executed. That kind of things we need to understand, as well as what should be the difference between the where and let keyword. We can actually understand this thing. So let's see what should be the output of all this console log. So one by one we can go through that process. So here so here you can see that variable inner scope, it is actually showing the 0 value. Variable inner scope, it will be showing the 1, and variable inner scope, it will be showing the 2. So this statement, it will be executed. So this is the synchronous statement executed. Then afterwards, once again, it will be a synchronous statement executed, variable outer scope of 3. So 3 is latest one value, it will be incremented. That's why it will be showing the 3 value. Then afterwards you can see the lat inner scope of 0 value, it will be accessible. So here you can see the lat of j equals to 0. Then afterwards you can see the incremented value of 1 and 2 of lat inner scope, and then afterwards you can see the throwing of a lat outer scope variable, because using of a lat keyword we can't access the value outside of the block scope. So just before we going into the set timeout loop, we need to understand what should be the difference between the where and let keyword variable. So let's understand that. So first, let keyword, it will be accessible only on the block scope variable. But using of the where keyword, we actually access the variable using of a function scope. In the let keyword, we actually not possible of a hosting. So hosting means nothing but just before the declaration, we can't able to access using of a let keyword, but that is possible in the where keyword. So let's see understand of a hosting here. So here you can see that we have actually declared the a variable, so it will be showing the undefined value, and here b actually we are able to access just before the declaration. So that is not possible with the let keyword. So what let's see what should be the output of all these two console log. So here you can see the just before the declaration, this variable it is accessible because we have already declared here with using of a where keyword, but in that case let keyword, that is not possible because just before the declaration we can't able to access the b variable. So that is the reason that should be the major differences between the where and let keyword. And once again you can see the temporal dead zone, so we can able to access the variable just before we declare. So in that case that is a possible with where keyword, but that is not possible with the let keyword. So here you can see the no variable cannot be accessed before the declaration. Now we can understand of the set timeout callback function execution. So let's see. So here you can see the where of inner scope, it will be a 0, 1 and 2, it will be printed. No, here you can see the variable of set timeout callback function, it will be printed 3 times. Why? Because it is actually function scope variable, so it will be holding the latest one value. So that is the reason where keyword holding the latest one value. But when it comes to the let keyword, actually that is not possible. In the let keyword each and every time it will be creating the new value and holding the new references. So that is the reason it will be a 0, 1 and 2 it will be printed here.